Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Form 941 is the employer's quarterly federal tax return used to report wages, tips, and payroll tax withholdings each quarter and reconcile deposits made. You must file for each of the 4 quarters: January through March, April through June, July through September, and October through December. Quarterly due dates fall on the last day of the month following the quarter: April 30, July 31, October 31, and January 31. Prepare your employer identification number, total wages, taxable Social Security and Medicare wages, and federal income tax withheld before you begin. Start by gathering payroll records: your EIN, employee names, gross wages, taxable Social Security and Medicare wages, federal income tax withheld, and reported tips. Determine employer and employee share of Social Security and Medicare taxes and any adjustments such as sick pay, COBRA, or qualified leave credits. Check deposit history. If accumulated taxes were $500 or more during the look-back period or quarter, timely deposits were required. Otherwise, you may pay with the return. Have Forms W-2, payroll journals, and deposit receipts on hand to verify figures. Complete Form 941 by entering the quarter, employer information, wages, tips, taxable Social Security and Medicare wages, and federal income tax withheld. Include adjustments such as sick pay, COBRA, advance credits, and non-refundable and refundable credits. Compute total tax and subtract deposits to show balance due or overpayment. File electronically through IRS e-file for faster processing, or print and mail to the correct IRS address. Sign the return. Pay any balance due via EFTPS, same-day ACH, or check, and correct mistakes with Form 9.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.